I'll show you how you can download Delta Executor. Now, this is a very sketchy app, so I do recommend you to think twice before you download this. Regardless, I'm going to show you how. Tap on Delta Executor like this. And then once here, you want to go ahead and go to their official website here. On their official website, might like it load for a little bit. There's a couple of ways you can download it, like Android, iOS, or Windows. You can download it whichever one you like. Let's just say Android here. Now let's just wait for this to load. Once on here, just scroll down until you find the download page. Scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find a download page here, right? Now you can see right now, if you can't find a download page here, you can go ahead and scroll back up. Sometimes it moves up and down, so it depends. So either you can tap on download here, or you can also download the Delta Executor APK here. So make sure you read it thoroughly because it changes every once in a while. Now on here, you can see you can find the download page here. So just click on this download one. Now to keep in mind, this is a exploit tool or a hacking tool, let's say. So if you download this, you will be cheating in a online game, despite it being not cool. And despite it being ruining the fun of it for everyone else, you might get banned as well. So before you download and before you install any of these weird software on your phone, please let that stew in your mind for a little bit.